Zamakenye de inhara so ye kan ho bi, because we have been building in waterways. Subanobana in sutwa na yedinwura yediri gugatesim. Yes, subanobana yeri say in su yeri block waterways yedze ye galamse ne hu sunsonodo in ende ihe nyinara yeri tua ho kawan.
This issue should stop. Really, the government, I have no right to speak to the government, man. I'm not Ghanaian, but they have to figure out something, man. It's been like years and this is happening. A lot of lives, man. All I hear near me is explosions and people and kids crying, man, drowning. Bro, look, the whole area is flooding. There's 3 cars under the water here, guys. You cannot see them.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, I got it.
Ebusiafo asama we se nkranenda na enye asam kakraba insuyir ha ochen insuyir nyina na we si wo kroma han na zamakenye de inhara so ye kan ho bi, because we have been building in waterways. Subanobana in sutwa na yedinwura yediri gugatesim. Yes, subanobana yeri say in su yeri block waterways yedze ye galamse ne hu sunsonodo in ende ihe nyinara yeri tua ho kawan. Properties have been lost. Lives have been lost. People are homeless. And so many painful things that we are seeing on the internet. You know, you're going to feel. Damana ye pay. Damana ye pay yetna. We can do better than this as Ghanaians. Wama yemfanyansa yemfansina kuyimu. Adachi engineers wo kuyimu ziyehia a lawyer from kwati. Sometimes you look at some of the constructions of our roads na gatas na nyeme bienhu there. These are also parts of our flooding issues. Go and look at Atala every day. Go and look at Bonny Gas Junction or Wakaso Kwimo every day, every year. Yari yang then. Se dani bi sekwenim na se odedam onyene lebrehena. Why don't we take these buildings off? Because of Yimpakron na huyensi oman muni na ni yanhwere nkwanyanhwere japeze all the time. We definitely need to do something about it. Videos are yeruhi bi aroho. I mean, just look at some of these videos. Properties, lives are getting lost. Actually, being a car pan and suluchu na helplessly, they can't do anything. Range Rovers in the Swam Memon. Na fit you been asked some impose or your home or your Benz shop. I'm on Faba Park what GLE na then C class na E class na hoke kawuna insu afa car sing na. Brother Kona Koshe Malam Johnson. Interchange tinsana se hubesima wuna ni na bobubun in the nsure yiri na money interchange na reyepe. This is an interchange that connects Ghana to the western corridors. Cote d'Ivoire, nominal Liberia, and Sierra Leone, meaning now when I'm from Warokwa, a quani do na wofa. Gary and Hoden Ebusiafo, a money paying for 1 for 1 and in si foam. Na aya kor aye bien, mama ye mount yado dama na da korea bashana. You see, while washing any na ye will chrome her away. No has some I in Ebusiafo, man cannot tinson. For far jene and uncle more. Zan can I any you sue a year hen. ma ye ho hwe onye ye fafa adwene na nko
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it,